Joseph Boaka capital bailing case. So we have an update for you. In court, Honorable Koffa and others, defense teams, they drop a big bombshell. They accusing the government of eating the fruit of the personal tree. I will explain it to you. Their argument, they call laws that the prosecutor rely on were illegally obtained by the NSA without a court warrant that make the evidence unconstitutional. The whole drama, it turned raw inside the court when defendant claimed torture. One of them even stripped off his personal jumpsuit. Took out a personal jumpsuit, a orange jumpsuit. When you see the man back, you'll cry for him. The prosecutor says the evidence stands, and the defense says it is rotten to the core. Now, Judge Roosevelt Willie must decide, will the court keep the personal fruit or will they throw it out? This trial is no longer about capital bailing fire now. It is about credibility of the Liberian justice system. Just so you know, CCP. Here is the video of Honorable Koffa speaking to the press about fruit of the personal tree.
Honorable Koffa, you are here today again. Can you tell us exactly what did your defense team have been arguing to ensure that you are free from this?
Okay, so, I think last December we were all treated to the term ultra-virus. The term you're going to take today is called fruit of the poisonous tree. It means that when you gather evidence illegally, you can never use that evidence in a trial. And what we saw today was phones were broken into by the police on December 19th, sent to NSA, and then a warrant was gotten on January 9, 2025. It means that's the fruit of the poisonous tree. It means other evidence. The fruit of the poisonous tree comes from the Garden of Eden, right? Also, you can eat everything here except for this fruit. That fruit that was eaten by the police cannot be used as snake baiting.
So you listen to Honorable Koffa. So you see where our police can operate. They're supposed to go get warrant before getting an evidence. They went and get the evidence before they went and get the warrant. So in December, they went and got the evidence. Then they wait for January to go and get the warrant. And let me give you an example of fruit of the personal tree doctrine. It includes a confession made under duress following an illegal arrest. Okay, there's one more example. Let's say the police went to your home and they unlawfully or they arrested somebody. Then they later on discover an illegal drugs in your house, and they try to use that in court against you without getting any search warrant. That is one of the things we're talking about here. Now, another thing is that in the defense teams is saying that if a evidence is obtained through an unconstitutional police action, the tree, then any evidence later delivered from that until the legal act, the fruit is typically inadmissible in the court of competent jurisdiction. Here is one last example so you can be able to understand about the doctrine that is in action right now. Illegal arrest and confession. Now, if the police arrests someone illegally without probable cause and subsequently obtain a confession from the suspect, the confession is considered the fruit of person tree. the illegal arrest may be executed from the evidence. That's why our main fan is saying today in the case here. Just so you know, CCP with Isa.